What's up, people of YouTube? This is Grow Me Something Mister. Welcome to Bright Day Gardens. I'd like to share with y'all a first harvest video. This is for eggplants. As many of y'all know from past videos, I hold the first harvest special because of all the preparation that it takes to get the beds ready, to get the soil ready, the plants, all the work, watering. This harvest video is dedicated to the memory of my late friend and boss, Roy. He was a gardener all his own. He liked to grow faux gardens. Sometimes he would just have a couple of plastic pots with some things in it, peppers, eggplants, and sometimes he would ask for a few of my eggplants for his family, and if they were smaller, I'd be able to give him a good bit more. These will be harvested and given to his longtime family friends. Okay, there's my first harvest of eggplants for spring 2021 off of just about 4 plants. Once again dedicated to the memory of my friend and boss, Roy, who we lost in March.